Hi, this is Gavin with Restoration One. Today, I'm trying out this product from RE-U-ZIP. This is their magnetic doorway entry system for containments. I do a lot of containments, so I'm very interested to see how this works. Alright, so we got it all set up now. Works great. Wanted to test it out here with loading in some items into this room. So all I gotta do is walk through just like this. Easy as that. Don't have to do a zipper or anything. Nice and easy getting through into my chamber.